nice green sturdy box. Let's see. You get the instructions. Accessory box, which is your plug-in for the wall, or yeah, for the wall. You get your car charger and your solar charger and a USB cord. It's very well packed to protect it from any damage during shipping. Well, here it is. Pretty lightweight. Not too bad. Easy to carry. I like this handle right here because this handle, you know, you can flip down so when you have it in the car. So I think it's like a strong plastic. It kind of looks metal, but I believe that it's just a strong plastic. It's very sturdy. I have to say, I put a magnet to it and it didn't stick. So it's like a hard, very hard shell plastic. It does appear to be very well built. There's 3 ways to charge it. You can charge it on a wall socket, you can charge it on a solar panel, and you can charge it in the car with your 12-volt battery. Attachments are all included. You have your AC outlets here, and you have your 12-volt socket here. There's 3 of the outlets, and you have a power button right here to turn it on and off. You have 1 USB-C port, 2 QC3 ports, and 1 USB-A port, Auto 2.4. It comes with a nifty flashlight. And then it also, it has a blinking function. It's a 300-watt pure shine wave inverter. It actually states right here, pure shine wave. It has a built-in undervoltage, overvoltage, and overload feature. So it automatically will turn off if any of those occur. I didn't see any reviews on this inverter, so I purchased it to try it out and test it. Here's their chart on how many times you can actually charge certain devices. This is per their website. I'll be using this power station with my Rockpals 100-watt solar panels. I haven't done a test on them yet, but I will try to do that and post a short video of it. And this is just a short video to show you this device, this station. All the specs and dimensions and so forth that I mentioned will be in the description, along with an Amazon affiliate link if you would like to purchase your own. I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or would like to comment. I'd be happy to reply. This is new to me. This is actually a very new product, so there's not many reviews on it. We'll see how it lasts in the test of time, and I'm actually very pleased with it. It's very small and compact, and it lasts longer than the regular ion lithium battery does. And I wanted something that would do that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, please do so below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified next time a video is posted. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I so appreciate all of you. Please continue to stay well and stay safe. See you on the next one. So I'm not so good about memorizing technical terms on these devices and products, but I think I did an okay job. And if you need more information, you can surely look on the description or on the link to the product.